Hi, my name is Michael Flickinger. I'd like to welcome you to How to Build a Website. And we're going to talk about using a content management system. Probably about the easiest way that you can ever build a website is by using these systems. Well, exactly what is a content management system? It is a web-based software that gives you the ability to edit your own website from any computer anywhere in the world. So you don't have to have any sort of software sitting on your computer that you have to use to build and make your website. It actually is a completely web-based environment, so all you have to do is log into the management system of your website and you can change anything right on the fly. Just upload your own photos, upload your own text, whatever you want to do. So that's what I love about it, is you're not stuck to a particular software like Dreamweaver or anything that Microsoft would have to edit websites. So it's all there. Let's say you're out with families and friends and you decided that you needed to change something on your website. You could just log into the local computer and log into your administration site and you can change it. Now the other thing, they are very user friendly. You don't have to have a lot of knowledge to be able to edit these websites. You don't have to have a lot of schooling or know HTML code. And so if you're able to edit a Facebook site, or if you know how to use a WordPress document like Word, you can edit these websites basically. So you don't have to have a lot of key knowledge like HTML code that you used to have. Now, what kind of CMS systems are there? There's a lot. There's some that are paid and some that are free. These are a few that are free. Joomla, Drupal, WordPress, PHP, Nuke, Mumbo, and others are all available. But I want to talk about one specific kind today, and I want to talk about WordPress. It's probably the most easiest CMS systems that I have ever dealt with, so it's very easy for the beginners. But it has a lot to it that as your website develops, it can develop with you. It's very user friendly. I love the fact that it's basically an open source software, so there's a lot of free apps that people have built for it. And the most important thing is people build websites and they do it quickly and they want to get it up and going, but a lot of times it doesn't have the key components to make it user friendly for the search engines. And WordPress is user friendly. In fact, Google loves WordPress. Most servers already have it installed, so you don't even have to worry about trying to install it onto your server. Most of the time it's under the simple software, and you just double click on the WordPress and give it a few names and it will upload itself and start up automatically. It's easy to keep your website fresh, and what I mean by that is that it has a blog environment, and that's what it is. WordPress is a blog, but I use it as the complete website, and you can see that it can be done that way. But by keeping your website fresh, you're also telling the search engines that you're an up-to-date website, and that's kind of the king right now, is they look for fresh content on websites to be able to give you good ranking. And if you ever get tired of the way your website looks, you can just look for a new theme and have it changed, but then you don't lose any of the information, you don't lose any of the data. It's all stored in there. You can just pick a new theme, put it up, and your website is completely different, but you're not starting all over again. Well, there is a few things about it. I kind of indicated that it's pretty easy to use, and it is. It's pretty easy to use once you get up and going, but there are certain key components that you need to know how to do it. And so this is why we have how to build a website video course on that specific WordPress. It kind of takes you from A to Z, everything you need to know about doing things in WordPress. Shows you if you want to build a shopping cart, shows you how to do that. If you want to make sure that you get to the top rankings of Google's, it shows you some key components. So I do invite you to go to our website, how howtobuildawebsite.info and check out our video courses. This is Mike Flickinger. Do appreciate your time, and we hope to see you on the other side with our video courses.